late and Hi guys, this is Premster 14 और आज का व्लॉग थोड़ा अलग होने वाला है क्योंकि मैं व्लॉग करने वाला हूँ हिंदी में। तो आज हम जाने वाले हैं ऑटो मैडनेस को, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ऑटोमोबाइल शोज़ इन दुबई, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होने वाले हैं जैसे कि ड्रैग रेसिंग, स्टंट शो, ड्रिफ्टिंग और बहुत सारे सुपर कार्स और हाइपर कार्स और ट्यून्ड और मॉडिफाइड कार्स डिस्प्ले पे रहने वाले हैं। तो अराउंड 1000 to 2000 कार्स होने वाले हैं। तो आई एम क्वाइट एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट। एंड ये 2 दिन का इवेंट है, सैटरडे एंड संडे। तो आज सैटरडे है तो हम वापस जाने वाले हैं और उसके पहले वी आर एक्चुअली पिकिंग अप वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स राहुल, वो शारजा साइड पे रहता है। तो चलिए उधर पहले जाते हैं और फिर उधर से हम चलते हैं दुबई ऑटोड्रोम। तो मैंने रेंट किया हुआ है किया पिकांटो, जो कि काफ़ी छोटी गाड़ी है बट वेरी कंफर्टेबल। तो ये है मेरा POV। यहाँ पे मैंने अपना दूसरा फ़ोन लगा दिया है क्योंकि यहाँ पे गूगल मैप्स तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वैसे तो मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ वेज। और ये है मेरा POV। यहाँ पे जा रही है टेस्ला, जो कि आई हेट दैट कार। एक्चुअली रास्ते में मैंने बहुत सारे सुपर कार्स भी देखे। मैंने एक 992 GT3 देखा और फरारी 488 देखा और उसका वीडियो नहीं ले पाया।
A few moments later.
तो गाइज हमने पिकअप कर लिया है राहुल को, जो कि मेरे बाजू में है।
और हम जा रहे हैं अभी करामा। कल हमने मेमोरी कार्ड लिया था।
हाँ भाई ने Insta360 लिया X3। क्या बात है।
और गलत वाला ले लिया था हमने कल, तो हम चेंज करने के लिए जा रहे हैं फिर से,
क्योंकि वो स्लो वाला लिया था ना अपन ने गलती से। तो सैंडिस्क एक्सट्रीम लेना है। तो पहले उधर चलते हैं करामा, उधर थोड़ा खा भी लेंगे भाई, बहुत भूख लगी है।
तो हम लोग अभी 40 मिनट से 15 मिनट का रास्ता पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
कितना मिस कर रहा है।
एक छोटा भी टर्न मिस हो जा रहा है हमारा, तो और 15 मिनट ऐड होते होते हम लोग 2 टर्न मिस कर दिए। शायद ही तीसरा वाला मिस कर दिया अभी।
एक तो ट्रैफिक इतना है कि 3 किलोमीटर जाना है, पर मैप पे दिखा रहा है 17 मिनट।
सो गाइस, मेमोरी कार्ड तो हमको एक्सचेंज करके मिला नहीं। मे बी शाम में उसका बॉस आने के बाद मे बी वो चेंज करके देगा। सो 45 दिरहम्स के लिए हमने कितना स्पेंड किया होगा ब्रो?
45 दिरहम्स के लिए 60-70 दिरहम,
मे बी मोर ब्रो।
ये कार रेंटल का इशू ही है।
कोई नहीं, अभी हम 3 बजे पहुंचने वाले थे, अभी ऑलमोस्ट 4:40 हो गया है। ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच गए हैं ऑटोड्रोम।
तो बहुत एक्साइटेड है।
10 मिनट्स आगे।
इंस्टा पे स्टोरीज देखे ऑटो मैडनेस के, काफ़ी रेयर कार्स ऑलरेडी पहुंच गए और काफ़ी मसल कार्स भी है जो कि बहुत अति ज़्यादा मॉडिफाइड है।
A few moments later.
Guys, we have entered the venue and all the show cars are parked behind me, and you can see we have a mix of classic cars, super bikes and supercars. Oh my god. We have the 570S over here. We have a vintage 911. All the Harley Davidsons are parked here. We have a Ferrari California. Let's go on the other side and check out. Oh, we have a 812 Superfast with its beautiful golden rims. We have the GT3 RS. At the spec guys of this SVJ. Madness. Guys, this is literally madness right here. All types of cars here. This is UAE's biggest car event. Check this out. Let's check out the Liberty Walk cars. Oh, we have the 911 Dakar. Check this out, guys. We have the 911 Dakar, which is probably Middle East only. A 765 LT, AMG GT Black Series. Let's check out this 370Z, which is absolutely slammed down. Guys, this is the JDM section. You'll find all the Nissans here. You have the fair lady right there. Oh, check this out. So guys, we have all the wagons that are parked over here, and this one is slammed down and is running on BBS rims. Check this out. We have a BMW 335i with pops and bang tune. Guys, we have a AMG GT Black Series and a 812 Superfast. अपने पीछे है ज़िको, जो अपने को बहुत चला रहा है अभी. उसको भी मालूम नहीं किधर है.
इधर काम करके भी मालूम नहीं किधर है. ये गाइस,
LT. So guys, now we have come to the place where the drifting is going to happen now. So it will start shortly. Zico, what cars do we have for drifting? Any idea?
350s, 370s, Silvias, Corvettes, mostly 350s and 370s.
Those are the easy ones to convert to drift.
1 hour later.
R35 Nissan GTR in this neon shade. So guys, 10 बज गए अभी, and we have come for the road races that are going on right now. काफ़ी थक गए. We walked a lot from the drifting zone to now the roll race. So let's see now what cars are going. We have some sick cars. We have some Nissan GTRs, Supras, which are going to burn the tarmac. Quite excited. Let's go. Now it's the Nissan GTR versus the Model S plate. Check this out. This is the sad reality of the automobile right now. Electric cars are faster than our favorite cars. Guys, we have a Nissan GTR that's going, but it's now misfiring. Yes guys, we're ending day 1 of Automadness with the roll racing now. Sadly, we couldn't get any clips of the drifting that was happening, so hopefully now tomorrow we'll come a bit early in the daytime so we can get more good shots of all the cars around. So stay tuned for day 2 vlog. Goodbye.
Day 2.
Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of Automadness. We just picked up Rahul. So guys, हमने एंटर कर लिया है दुबई ऑटोड्रोम और हम हैं ये टनल के अंदर. राहुल ने मस्त उसका इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर ले लिया है. फुल सॉर्टेड है भाई.
हम दोनों के पैर के लगे हुए हैं. मेरा एक्सीडेंट में उनको पहले.
Behind me we have a very special car. It's called the Aston Martin Lagonda Taraf, which is a very exclusive car, limited to only 120 units worldwide, and it was actually to be only sold in the Middle East market. And you can see this satin black paint job from the factory with some aftermarket wheels from Power Wheels, as you can see. So this car is at their stall right now, and this is probably one of the very expensive Aston Martins in the world. Right behind me, it's a 4-door luxury saloon from Aston Martin. So guys, we are joined with Mr. Brian, who is like a one-of-one man because he has worked on a Bugatti Chiron Pro Sport that is owned by Andrew Tate, and he has changed the audio setup of that car. That's crazy. Good to meet you, sir.
Thank you so much. Nice meeting you.
So hi guys, we are joined with Nick from Stobies, and we have the star of the show right behind us. We have the 911 Dakar. So we have Nick who is going to tell us more about the car.
Well, as you all know, it's a Dakar, the only one in UAE right now. It's 2024 and it's brand new. The only place where you can come and get this car is Tubis Motors. So come anytime, we are there.
Definitely. So check them out on Instagram, and if you're in Dubai, do visit their store. Car from outside, you can see the straight difference in the Dakar. You can see the all-terrain tires right here. And guys, this is a complete paint job. There are no stripes or wrap on the car. This is how it's come from the factory. This is how it has been spec'd. You can see the blue with the golden and red stripes, which is, again, I'm repeating, it's paint. What a lovely spec this is. Check out the interior of this 911 Dakar. You can see the 911 Dakar written right there. You can see the carbon bucket seats with the blue contrast stitching on the black leather. So it's basically like a regular 911, but then basically you can off-road a 911. So guys, now you don't need to buy a Porsche Cayenne or a Porsche Macan to go off-roading. You can do that in a 911 now when you buy the 911 Dakar. But this is a straight competition to the Huracan Sterato. So comment down below which one would you choose, the Huracan or this Dakar. Guys, we are in the middle of a racetrack on the Dubai Autodrome circuit, and slowly the show cars are going to be coming in and they're going to be lining up all over here. But for now, we have this really cool Volvo V70 wagon, and personally I am a very big fan of wagons, and this is one clean example, as you can see, of a Volvo V70 finished in this red paint with these silver finish alloys with a little surfboard on the top. Looks so cool. And we have some supercars right there, if you can see right there. We have a GT4. Behind me, we have one of my favorite AMGs ever made. This is the C63 Black Series in a shade called Solar Beam Yellow, which is a very iconic shade on all Black Series models, and this is only limited to 800 units around the world. Check this out. You have a clean example of one, and it's a coupe, of course. You can see the HRE alloys over here, the carbon fiber wing. We are at the Pro Drift stall, and we have Khalifa right here. Yes. He's going to tell us more about Pro Drift.
Okay, so Pro Drift Academy is of course, Drift Academy in the Middle East, one of the biggest academies in the world for drifting. So next to me is Corvette Z06, which is actually the most legendary drift car from the Pro Drift Academy collection. Within the car we have Link ECU, we have FDF angle kits.
Congratulations!
The engine is a stock LS engine.
That's madness, guys. Which makes it the perfect drift car. Here we have a very special car owned by a very good friend, Vish. This is his Subaru WRX STI, which is fully done up and can put some of the supercars to shame, guys. This is like a very good build and a very fast car. Check this out. We'll have Vish only to talk about his car. Let me just find him. So guys, we have Vish with us.
What's up, guys?
And he's going to talk us more about the car.
Yeah, so it's still running the stock case stock block. It's still the 2.5, it's not stroked.
Fully built engine, head and bottom.
The cams, running headers, running an upgraded rotated turbo kit, a Precision 64. She's making around 700 to the wheels on pump gas and mat.
Whoa.
And yeah, she's my pride and joy, my love.
Crazy. We have two very unique and one-of-one hypercars. One of them is the Ferrari Enzo Gambala MIGU1, and besides that we have the McLaren P1 GTR. This is a one-of-one in the world.
and it's just in front of you. Just check out the aerodynamics. It is completely done up for the racetrack. And I've selected, of course, the Golf GTI because that's my favorite. I miss my Polo back home, that's why. Behind me we have Lamborghini's first ever SUV called the Lamborghini LM002. So Urus was not the first SUV. This was the first SUV which was presented in the Geneva Motor Show back in 1986. The seats, the interior has been redone, but just check this out. Such an iconic car. And then the Urus came out, and Urus has been a famous, popular car since then. And this is the car that goes down in history, which means a lot for the brand. For us, we have a Nissan 370Z on air suspension. Just check this out. भाई ये देख तो, because the उंगली जा रहा है क्या अंदर? ये देख. Crazy. Guys, here's the end to a weekend filled with auto madness. Hope you guys enjoyed this 2-day vlog. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Goodbye.